Hey guys, PG here, Silverman Adventures. I just got back from 4:30 in the morning to 1:40 in the afternoon. I just beat the rain. I hope it's on video guys, I missed a tarpon that had to be 6 foot long and this wide. I seen him hit, hope the video is looking right at him, so I hope we get to see that, but I didn't even catch him. He lasted like tail walked and boom, he was gone. That was exciting because I never saw something that big. And then a little while after that, a cormorant. My buddy Gary, we don't like those cormorants who try and steal our trout. He tried to steal my trout, got hooked, wrapped around. See guys, he bit me right there. I grabbed his beak and I was taking the hook out in line and just let it loose a little bit and that booger chomped. So eventually I got the thing out. I don't know if that's on video or not, but I had him and I got him. He's good. He got me though. So I only caught a couple snook guys in the morning. 3 little trout. I worked my butt off. It was hot, no wind, no nothing. Tarpon rolling all over the place. I only missed that big giant one, and the other ones didn't bite. So anyways guys, peace. Don't mind the stuff in back of me. I got unexpected birthday presents from my daughters, Lacey and Crystal. I got a Keurig coffee maker, single thing. Girls, thanks a lot, love you. Didn't expect anything like that. Didn't need anything else, but I appreciate it. And then like I said guys, my birthday, everything went good. I didn't do anything, but everybody, all my friends that called me, that I grew up with and everything else in family, they called. And even my special friend, you called. I felt that was coming. So it was so good to talk and see my friend on the little video. Miss you a lot, love you. Hope life's treating you good. Hopefully one day I get to see you again. Otherwise, let's go to the vid, guys. It might be short, might be long. It's not going to be any good for me. I don't even want to put it out. But enough babbling. Here I go, guys. Peace, love you. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment. Love the comments. What do I got? 376 subscribers. Average 40 people watch my video. 40. 376, 40. I might not be doing something right. And then 95% I looked on that. Watch my videos, don't subscribe. So must be my face. Apologize, guys. I was born this way. Anyways, guys, peace. God bless you. Love you. We'll see you next time. Peace. Got another trout, guys. Another trout. Nothing big yet, but they're here. Well guys, GoPro start recording. Stupid bird. Got a fish. Little trout, guys. Okay guys, got me a little trout. Here we go. Bye. Oh. Whoa. You see that, guys? Had a giant tarpon on there. Holy crap. Cool. Something still bit it on the way back in. Man, that was a huge tarpon. Hope you saw that, guys. That was a big tarpon. That was twice as big as the one I almost had the other day. Little trout, not big enough. So guys, caught a trout. Nothing big. Alright guys, after a while I got me a little trout. Almost got off. Barely hooked, trolling. There he goes. Okay guys, looks like a whiting to me. Not a redfish. I don't know what it is, guys. Not big enough to keep really, but good fish. Alrighty. Lost a trout, guys. Alright guys, got me a miniature trout. Little bitty trout, guys. There's some fish by here, so little bitty snook. Full moon, maybe they'll bite. Had a hit. Got one, guys. Got one. And he's off. Probably messed them up. They don't want to. Got one, another bite, guys. So they're biting. Ooh, good little snook. Get in here, boy. Come on. Get in the net. There we go. All right, guys. Look at that little booger. Good job. Jeez, he's strong still. All right, all right, all right. I'll let you go, wild man. Come here. All right, guys. And there he goes. Nice snook. Ta-da! Ta-da! See you, buddy. Thanks a lot. Got one, guys. Good snook. Don't want to lose him. Oh yeah, good one. Alrighty guys, I think I'm recording. I take my head off 100 times and check. Alright guys. He wouldn't hook too good either. He's gonna flip. Bite my finger. Okay guys, there we go. Nice snook. Hold it like this, I can get a good thumbnail. Alright guys. Good 5-10 pounder. Another snook. Here we go guys. Working my butt off. I have to go back to where I first started.